Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga air signs natin dyan, no? So, let's see anong meron sa inyo, anong sitwasyon meron kayo ng inyong person right now. And of course, self-care advice for this week para sa inyo mga air signs, and message or advice from the universe, right? No, so let's see. So let's proceed to you. Let's start with you, Gemini. So kamusta kayo dyan mga Gemini natin dyan, no? Anong meron sa mga Gemini natin, no? Person on your mind, self-care advice, and message or advice from the universe, right? So wait lang. So no, Gemini, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Gemini, no? I-shuffle ko lang ng isang beses lang. Na-shuffle na natin ito kanina. So, for Gemini, please. Universe, no? Sitwasyon ni Gemini, no? Sa kanilang mga person, no? Right? In separation or in connection man, right? No? So, whoever it is na nasa isip nyo, no, mga Gemini. So, let's see, no, pasensya na kayo, no, nasa labas kasi tayo kasi nagpapaaraw tayo, right, no. So, I hope naririnig nyo ako, no, mga Gemini natin. So, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. So, ano kayang sitwasyon meron sa mga Gemini natin, right? So, wait lang. So, ano kaya yung nakuha natin, no? So, Gemini, no, meron dito, time for me to let go, no. So, no, meron ditong umalis, no. I don't know, no, kung ginos ka ba nitong tao na to, or aware ka ba na umalis na to, or maybe, person mo, or ikaw, Gemini, ay nag-iisip-isip na umalis na sa isang connection, right, no. So, what else for Gemini? So, you have this, I want more of your energy, no. So, no, medyo na-drain na kayo rito, no, for sure. Gemini, no, or both of you, no, na-drain na kayo sa kanya-kanyang energy nyo. I mean, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, Gemini, it's parang napagod na kayo, no, sa isa't isa, no, something like that. Or ikaw, napagod ka na, or vice versa, or both of you, no. So, may napagod rito, no, kaya parang may maghihiwalay na or may naghiwalay na, no, something like that, no. So, what else? So, no, meron dito, playing all along is my nature. So, no, meron pala ditong player, no, mga Gemini, kaya pala may umalis or may aalis, no. Maybe ikaw, Gemini, ay may nalaman ka sa iyong person, right, no. So, no, parang kumbaga sobrang drain ka na dito sa person mo na ito, no. Siguro lagi kang dinadala sa third party, lagi nag-cheat tong person mo na ito, no. Kaya ngayon ay parang nag-iisip-isip ka na, Gemini, na umalis na sa connection nyo, right, no. Kasi sobrang drain ka na rito, no. So, kumbaga literal talaga na parang inuubos niya na yung lahat, no, pasensya mo, parang sobrang inabuse ka na ng tao na ito, no, Gemini. So, just take what's resonate, no. So, no, for me, ang nakikita ko dito is literal na inabuse ka ng tao na ito, no, Gemini, no. So, kumbaga, lahat, no, halos lahat, kinuha na niya sa iyo, tapos, sinit ka pa, no. So, niloko ka pa ng tao na ito, no, Gemini, no. So, I think if you are still in this connection, no, Gemini, no, so sinasabi sa iyo rito, no, or maybe nag-iisip ka na talaga na umalis na, no, sa connection, makipaghiwalay na. So maybe or not maybe, no, for sure it is the right thing to do, no, Gemini, because sobrang exhausted ka na sa relasyon na ito, no, right. So tama itong naiisip mo or tama itong ginawa mo na makipaghiwalay na sa tao na ito, because wala siyang magukuhang mabuti wala madudulot na mabuti ang pakikipagrelasyon mo sa tao na ito, right, Gemini. So, habang may panahon pa, habang kaya mo pa, so hindi ka pa ganun ka kumbaga parang, kasi yung iba parang halos hindi makaalis dahil ang daming kailangang isipin So kung ikaw Gemini, habang hindi pa kayo ganun kalalim, and then nakikita mo na itong mga red flags na ito, right? So better to get out of that relationship, It's not a relationship, It's a codependency, So nagdedepende to sa yung tao na ito, So kasi lahat kinukuha niya na sa iyo tapos pinaglalaruan ka pa, Something like that, mga Gemini. So yeah, kung sino lang makaka-relate dito, mga Gemini, So what I can advise you, Gemini, is yes, tama yes. Yeah, right, itong naiisip mo is tama ito, And maybe ito rin kasi, because ano ba itong mga nakukuha natin, di ba, energies nyo, right? Ang energies nyo ayan yung intuition nyo, ayan yung gut feeling nyo. So tama yan. Ito yung sinasabi ng isip mo, ng puso mo, Gemini. Time to let go, di ba? So yeah, that's it, So ayan ang sitwasyon nyo, mga Gemini, right? So tignan naman natin anong self-care advice for you this week, Gemini, So tignan natin anong self-care advice for you this week ni Universe, right? Para naman I think kailangan mo mag-relax rin talaga, Gemini, right? So tignan natin. Kuha tayo dito ng one card, Gemini, So self-care advice for Gemini, please Universe, guide us, please Holy Spirit, Self-care advice for Gemini, one card for you. So ano kaya itong nakuha natin for you, Gemini, So yeah, gawin nyo ito this week, So makakatulong sa inyo, stress reliever for some of you. So you have what is this, Gemini? Maybe, I don't know, yan, meron dito, Gemini. For some of you siguro, So wala to sigurong kinalaman dun sa unang deck natin, maybe ibang energy yun, So this one is, I think is, I don't know, mga Gemini, So maybe ito daw ang inyong relaxation for this week, Maybe you need some, right, sa sex, right, So yeah, you need some sex daw, Gemini, para ma-relieve ang iyong stress, For some of you na may mga partner, right, So wala namang masama, right, So yeah, ini-encourage kayo ng inyong self, I mean ni Universe, maybe to really sometimes din kasi nakaka-relieve din ng stress or nakaka-release din ng stress, having intimacy, something like that, So and you have also the angel number, 444, mga Gemini, right, So tignan nyo yan sa Google, kung anong ibig sabihin kung anong message sa inyo ng inyong mga angels, right, So there is a message for you, and of course ito daw ang iyong self-care advice for this week, for some of you na, of course, na may mga partner, So hindi yung sa third party, right, So yeah, so tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you ni Universe, Gemini, right? So let's see, advice or advice or message, kuha din tayo dito ng one card for you, Gemini. So yeah, Universe, please, one card for Gemini. So yeah, that's your card. So wait lang. So what is this? Be open to receiving, So Gemini, So sinasabi sa iyo dito ni Universe, Maybe may mga opportunities na dumadating sa iyo, So maybe hindi mo to napapansin, Kaya be aware of the opportunities around you, So may mga dumadating sa iyo, kaya be open to receive, but then of course be mindful upon accepting, right, Kasi hindi na, maraming mga iba dyan ay mga scammer, right? If this is an investment, kailangan, or job offer, whatever it is, kailangan ay alam mo muna yung papasukin mo, Something like that, But then, sinasabi talaga sa'yo dito ni Universe, ina-allowed ka to open, be open to receiving, right? No, so yun nga, no, may mga opportunities that will open to you, no, mga Gemini. So yeah, that's it for you, Gemini, no. So I hope naka-resonate kayo with this reading, no. So yeah, God bless you all, Gemini, and thank you for watching, Gemini. So yeah, let's proceed to you, Libra, no. So yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Libra natin, no? Anong meron sa inyo ngayon, Libra, no, with your person on your mind, whoever it is, self-care advice for this week, and of course, message or advice from the universe, no, right? So tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng person na naiisip mo ngayon, no, Libra. Wait lang. So yan, no, may inaano lang ako, wait lang. So yeah, Libra, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Libra, no. So na-shuffle ko na to kasi nag-post tayo ng ating video, right? So yeah, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Libra, no. Please, universe, for Libra, 3 cards for Libra, please. So yeah, one more card. So I hope naririnig nyo ako, no. So maaraw tayo ngayon because nasa labas tayo ngayon, right? So paaraw-araw din kahit saglit, right? So what is this, Libra? Anong meron sa inyo? So yeah, no, meron dito, I'm not attracted, no. So I don't know, no, if this is you, Libra, no, na hindi ka na attracted sa iyong partner, no. So yan, or vice versa, right? So I don't know what happened. So let's see what else. You have this, playing all alone is mine. So katulad kay Gemini, no, meron din palang player dito, Libra, no. So yan, no, kaya siguro ang isa sa inyo ay hindi na attracted because na disappoint, no, something like that. So what else? We both love each other. Oh, what is this? No, so we both love each other. I'm waiting for the right time. So yeah, no, I think, Libra, because this one, no, for me, I think, Libra, no, so kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito, Libra, no, yeah, no, meron ditong hindi attracted and someone is playing din, no. So meron ditong player, no, for some of you, Libra, and then this one is meron ditong we both love each other, no. So yeah, no, for some of you lang to, Libra, no. So dalawang 2 person ang nakikita ko dito, no, ang Libra, no. So maybe dalawang energy to sa magkaibang Libra, or just take what's resonate, no. So meron ditong isa ay you're not attracted na because someone is playing, no. So may nalaman ka sa person mo na ito, and that's why unti-unti, no, nagiging hindi ka na attracted to this person because sa mga disappointments, no, Libra, no. So yan, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito. And the other one naman with this we both love each other is, I think this is another person, no. So for some of you, no, merong paghihintay dito, no, waiting for the right time, no, mga Libra, no. So just take what's resonate, no, for you, Libra, no. So meron din dito na naghihintay lang kayo both, no, ng tamang panahon para sa inyo, right, no, sa inyo, para sa isa't isa, no. So yeah, so yun, no, sa dalawang senaryo ang nakikita natin dito, Libra, no, for you. So yeah, kung sino lang makaka-relate dito, no. And again, no, someone is playing. So isa sa inyo ay hindi na attracted because may nalaman nga, and that person is a player. That's why the other partner is hindi na attracted because of disappointments, right, no. And the other one naman is there is someone or both of you are waiting for the right time, no. So this is another person, right, no. So yeah, that's it for you, Libra, no. So again, just take what's resonate, no. So let's see naman what's your self-care advice, no, for this week, Libra, no. So let's see, kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Libra. So yeah, universe, 1 card for Libra. So yeah, So, ano kaya yung nakuha natin for you, Libra, for this week? So, you have this, no, nourish your temple, no? So, ito, no, sinasabi sa'yo dito, Libra, be more grounded, no? So, yan, no, for some of you, maybe, katulad ni Gemini, no? Kasi nga, may mga person kayong player, so, talagang, kumbaga, for some of you, ay dumadaan sa matinding pagsubok, and I know na super exhausted kayo right now, no? So you need to nourish yourself, no? Ito yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, nourish your body, no? Something like that, because baka nagkakasakit na kayo for some of you, no? Maybe for some of you, katulad dito, ako nga ngayon lang din ako nagpapaaraw, right, no? Because I just need some ganito, no, right? So, maybe magpaaraw din kayo, no? Ganito umaga, right? No? So, yung wag lang aabot ng tanghali, no? Kasi medyo iba na yung sikat ng araw sa atin, right? No? And then, of course, no, kung makikita mo dito, Libra, no, ang iyong digestive system, no? Maybe, kailangan mo mag-detox, no? For some of you, Libra, no? So, eat healthy foods, no? For some of you, kung makikita mo to, leafy, no? Eat some vegetable, and leafy foods, no? Something like that. Or, yeah, detox, no? Green tea, ganun, mag-inom-inom kayo, no? For this week, no? Or kahit hindi for this week, kasi kailangan din ng body nyo, no? Na mag-detox, no? Siguro every once a week, no? Mag-detox kayo, no? And for some of you, nakikita ko rin is meron kayong meron kayong irregular bowel movement, no? For some of you, like me, meron constipation, no? For some of you, Libra, right? Yeah. So, kaya kailangan nyo talagang mag-detox, no? For some of you, no? So, and of course, bawasan na yung mga unhealthy foods, no? Para maging healthy na yung body natin. At nakakatulong din yun sa ating, kumaga makikita mo, di ba, yung aura mo dito is colorful, a rainbow, right? No? So, maybe kailangan nyo rin talagang magpa-araw, no? For some of you, no? Kailangan nyo magpa-araw because ang rainbow, di ba, nasa umaga yan or hanggang, basta, di ba? Parang magkaroon ng kulay, no? Maybe, na kayo, maputla na kayo, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. So, yun, kailangan yung alagaan talaga yung sarili nyo ngayon, Libra, no? So, ito talaga yung sinasabi ni Universe. You need to take care of yourself, no, Libra, no? So, yeah. So, ayan yung self-care advice for you, Libra, for this week. And tignan naman natin anong overall advice or message from the universe, right? For you, Libra. So, kuha rin tayo ng one card for you, Libra. So, yeah. So, what's that card for you, Libra? So, tignan natin. You have this upside down, no? So, lagi rin itong lumalabas, no, Libra, no? So, yeah. Message sa'yo ni universe is, maybe I think is just take your time, no? So, you need to be more, yun nga, kasi kailangan mo kasing alagaan ng sarili mo, right? Now, with this upside down, parang ang nakikita ko rito is, kumbaga sa tarot deck is, nasa hermit mode ka, no? So, you have to be, mas okay sa'yo, no? For some of you, Libra, ay mapag-isa muna, no? Something like that, no? So, you need more time for yourself, no? Than to others, syempre, no? Mas unahin mo naman ngayon yung sarili mo, right? No? So, kailangan mo talagang alagaan dito yung sarili mo, right? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. And for some of you naman is, may mga kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan na you are still thinking of, no? So, sinasabi dito ni universe is, yeah, just take your time din, no? So, just take your time to think about it, no? So, kailangan dito ay maging solid din yung desisyon mo at the same time is napag-isipan mong mabuti. Pag-aralan mo, no? For some of you, Libra, bago ka mag-decide, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, ito yung sinasabi sa iyo, Libra, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this reading, Libra, no? So, yeah, God bless you all, Libra, and thank you for watching, Libra. So, yan, no, let's proceed to you, Aquarius. So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Aquarius natin dyan? No, how are you? And let's see, anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng iyong person on your mind, no? Again, whoever it is, no? In separation man or with connection pa rin, no? So, kung sino ang nasa isip mo right now, no? So, and of course, let's see what's your self-care advice for this week and overall message or advice from the universe, right? No, mga Aquarius natin dyan, no? So, yan, no? Wait lang again. May pumapasok na mga dumi sa aking ano. Wait lang. So, yeah, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, no? Libra, I mean Aquarius, no? So, 3 cards for Aquarius, no? Universe, no? For sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person right now. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards. So, 1. Wait lang. Ano ba to? 1, 2, and sige ito, 3. For Aquarius, right? So, tignan natin. What's your cards? So, meron dito no Aquarius, no? So, sabi niya dito is, I hate you. Nakikita niyo ba? Kasi hindi ko talaga makikita. No? So, yeah, meron dito. I hate you're not single daw, no? So, meron ditong nagagalit, no? Aquarius, no? Basta, take what's resonate lang, no? So, pwede kasi magkabali-baliktad ang inyong energies ng person mo, right? No? So, pwedeng ikaw to or ang person mo, right? No? So, I hate you're not single. So, meron dito, no, may naiinis dito because you are not single daw, no, Aquarius. So, what else? So, yan, no. But then, no, sinasabi dito ng person na to is, I'm coming, please wait for me, no. So, love you unconditionally, no. So, yan, no, but then, parang sure itong tao na to na in the end, kayo ang magkakatuluyan, no, something like that. But then, of course, no, because you are not single, no, but then, parang sure tong tao na ito, no, mga Aquarius, no, so, yeah, just take what's resonate for you, no, Aquarius, so, yeah, what else? So, no, di ba? Meron dito, no, we both love each other. I'm waiting for the right time. No? So, kaparehas din to ng kay Libra, right? No? So, maybe, no, ito yung tao na yun, no? So, yeah, no, for some of you, maybe you are dealing with someone else pa, no? But then, yeah, kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito, ang Aquarius, no? So, yeah, maybe for some of you, no, katulad kay Libra, ano, 2 person, no? So, maybe for some of you is you are still dealing with someone, no, but then there is this someone new, or I don't know if this is someone na kilala mo na rin, no, because so parang may naghihintay lang rito na may mag-end, no, something like that, no. So, Aquarius, no, so just take what's resonate, no, Aquarius, no. So, I think merong mag-e-end na isang relationship dito, no? Because with this, no, I think, no, parang may kinalaman dun kay Libra, right? No? So, meron kasing person, katulad din kay Gemini kanina, no? Merong player na person, right? No? So, parang that relationship will end soon, no? For some of you, no? Yeah, overall natin, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Kasi halos same lang talaga lahat, no, ang inyong cards, no. So, yeah, no, merong, I think there is a relationship that will end, and after that, a new beginning will be coming, no, something like that, no, a new person, or maybe a past person also for some of you, because someone is waiting, you know, right, no, parehas, di ba? Confirm na may naghihintay sa isang tao, or may naghihintayan for the right time, no? Something like that, no, mga Aquarius, no? So, yeah, no? So, take what's resonate only for you, mga Aquarius natin dyan, right? No? So, wait lang nga. So, yeah. So, tignan natin anong self-care advice for you, Aquarius, no? Self-care advice for Aquarius. So, kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Aquarius, no? Universe, 1 card for Aquarius, no? So, What's your self-care advice for this week? So, yan, no, Aquarius, no, so meron dito massage, no, so, Aquarius, no, so sinasabi dito ay magpamasahe ka daw, no, maybe talaga ay masakit na ang iyong mga katawan, no, literally, no, paa, kamay, batok mo, and your likod, no, balakang, no, for some of you, no, so yeah, you need to have massage, no, for this week, no, para makarelip ng stress, no, for some of you, Aquarius, no, so yeah, that's your advice for this week, and let's see naman what's your overall advice or message from the universe ng mga Aquarius. So, kuha tayo ng one card for you. So, yeah, yan na lang. So, what's the message or advice for you? So, claim your energy, no? So, parehas din talaga, no? Kay Gemini, no? Kasi nawalan ng energy, no? Kasi nga, na-drain, no? Something like that, no? So, yan, no? Kasi may mga player kayong mga person, right? So, na-drain talaga ang inyong energy. So, that's why you need to take care of yourself. Claim back your energy, like 'di ba, magpalakas kayo 'no, mga Aquarius 'no. So, kailangan niyo rin mag-detox, meditate, go with the nature 'no, para maka-gain kayo again ng inyong energy, ng inyong lakas 'no, something like that 'no. So, kailangan niyo magpalakas talaga 'no. Maybe talaga ay sobrang exhausted kayo this past few days, past few weeks 'no, for some of you. So, you need to take care of yourself right now 'no. So, unahin niyo naman ang sarili niyo 'no, mga Aquarius. So, yeah 'no, overall mga air signs 'no, right 'no. So, yeah. So, I hope naka-resonate ka dito sa iyong reading 'no, Aquarius 'no. So, thank you for watching, Aquarius 'no. So, yeah, overall 'no, mga air signs 'no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, parang iisa lang din talaga yung mga messages for you 'no. So, kailangan yung alagaan ang sarili niyo and have a right decision, a smart decision, whatever it is 'no, in relationship man or in career 'no, whatever 'no. And of course, unahin niyo na ngayon ang sarili niyo 'no, mga air signs 'no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius 'no. So, alagaan niyo yung sarili niyo. So, ayan talaga yung pinaka message ni universe sa inyo because you are so exhausted really, no? So, yeah. So, that's it for you, air signs, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with your reading, mga air signs, no? So, always pray lang, no? Kay God at hindi niya kayo pababayaan, right? No? So, have faith lang. Of course, sa sarili nyo rin, right? So, yeah, that's it for you and thank you for watching, air signs.